Students. Students, in our last lecture, we had seen regular verbs, and today we are going to see irregular verbs. So let us begin with irregular verbs. In this, we are going to see the definition with examples. Irregular verbs. A verb whose conjugation follows a different pattern is called an irregular verbs. In regular verb, we had seen that we are going to add ed in the second form and third form of verb. Here we are going to follow a different pattern. Okay, here we are going to see a different pattern of verbs, and that different pattern is called an irregular verb. A verb in which the past tense. One more definition so that we can understand more easily, or you will be more clear with this definition. A verb in which the past tense is not formed by adding the useful ed ending. We had seen that in regular verbs we add ed in the past tense. For example, play. We are going to add ed and it will become played. Played, played. Okay. Or say dance. Dance, danced, danced. We add d. In this way, in last lecture we had studied lot of examples of regular verbs in which we had just add ed and it will become the past tense. But today we will study irregular verbs, and here we are able to see that this irregular verbs are not formed by adding ed. For example, past tense of sing is sang. Past tense of feel is felt. Past tense of go is went. So, here we had seen that the past tense is not formed by adding ed. These are totally changed. Sing, sang, sung. Feel, felt, felt. Go, went, gone. Totally changed. Okay, so these are irregular verbs. One more definition. Irregular verbs are the verbs that do not follow a fixed pattern. Okay, irregular verbs do not follow a fixed pattern, while conversion from present to past and past participle form, while changing the present tense into past and past tense to past participle, they are totally different. We are not going to change by adding ed. So let's see the examples. Take. Past tense is took and third form is taken. Take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Now students, some past tense, that is second form and third form, are same, but some are totally different, like take, took, taken, but teach, taught, taught. Okay. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Think, thought, thought. Once again, take, took, taken. Teach, taught, taught. Tear, tore, torn. Tell, told, told. Wake, woke, woken. Wear, wore, worn. Think, thought, thought. Next. Stand, stood, stood. Steal, stole, stolen. Stick, stuck, stuck. Hear, heard, heard. Ring, rang, rung. Run, ran, run. Now student, stood, stood are same. Stole, stolen different. Stuck, stuck same. Heard, heard are same. Rang, rung. Run, it is ran and run. Okay. So some verbs we had seen the second form and third form are same, but in some they are totally changed. Next example. Students, I tried to give you the verbs which we generally used in the sentences. Okay. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Do, did, done. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Fight, fought, fought. Okay, once again. Drink, drank, drunk. Eat, ate, eaten. Fall, fell, fallen. Do, did, done. Break, broke, broken. Bring, brought, brought. Fight, fought, fought. Next. Thrive, throw, thrown. Sing, sang, sung. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, sped, sped. Spend, spent, spent. Give, gave, given. Student, note down the spelling properly. Don't make spelling mistake. Okay. Thrive, throw, thrown. Sing, sang, sung. Sleep, slept, slept. Speak, spoke, spoken. Speed, sped, sped, sped. Spend, spent, spent. Give, gave, given. Next example. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Grow, grieve, grown. Wear, wore, worn. Write, wrote, written. Weave, wove, woven. Wake, woke, woken. Once again. Arise, arose, arisen. Awake, awoke, awoken. Grow, grieve, grown. Wear, wore, worn. Write, wrote, written. Weave, wove, woven. Wake, woke, woken.